happiest place on earth was built with death money. Kinda.
Wait. Are you saying Disneyland exists because Walt Disney took money from his life insurance?
Yup. Back in the 1950s, banks didn't believe in fairy dust.
That's wild. I thought he was like super rich already.
Not rich enough to build a theme park nobody believed in. They thought Disneyland was a bonkers idea.
So what did he do?
He used the cash value from his whole life insurance policy.
Wait, you can do that?
Didn't ask, didn't wait, just borrowed against it to fund the dream.
He turned his future into a theme park?
Exactly. No GoFundMe, no venture capital bros, just vision and guts.
And now millions of kids go there every year, all because he believed in himself?
And because he understood money differently. It wasn't just for saving, it was a tool, a launch pad.
So you're saying I could build Babyland one day if I learn how to use my money like Walt?
Exactly. But maybe start by not spending your allowance on 27 rubber ducks.
That was an investment in joy.
If Walt Disney could turn life insurance into Disneyland,
Just imagine what else people are building with smart money moves.
legacy doesn't always start with millions. It starts with imagination and a plan.
Do you have a crazy money move like Walt? Let us know in the comments below.
Smash that pacifier, subscribe button, and we'll be back with more baby-sized wisdom for big-time thinkers.